with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna bring you guys travel to Gardens OCBC. And right now we are walking to the cloud forest. Yeah, we're literally we are following the signboard over here, and also you can see the super trees over there. Look how nice it is. So today our itinerary is going to the cloud forest, and you can also see the Ferris wheel over there. Guys, there's a super tree right here, very near to us. But this one you can't go up. And there's also a river here. I'm not sure what this river is called. There's also many greenery here. But we're getting near to the cloud forest. Flower Dome is also very near to the cloud forest too. But the reason why we're going to cloud forest is because many people say that cloud forest is very beautiful and is more worth to go than the Flower Dome. So let's see. You guys just gonna stay tuned. Stay tuned, subscribe and press the notification bell. Now we're just walking to the cloud forest and Flower Dome. We booked our ticket at 11 PM. So yeah, but I guess it's going to be slightly late. But it's quite a long walk from Bayfront MRT to cloud forest. But we're quite near to it. What's this? This is Flower Dome. There's Flower Dome, guys, and cloud forest is over there. Yeah, cloud forest you can go up. There's waterfall. You guys just gotta stay tuned. It's gonna be exciting, you know. You gotta see to the end of the video. There's a shuttle bus there. Oh man, I love the shuttle bus. I'm really taking the shuttle bus. If your admission tickets don't come with a complimentary ride, buy the tickets at this station near the Bayfront MRT. Or you can choose to walk, like us. Tired legs, you know, legs very tired. But I guess you guys, when you come here, you guys can take the shuttle bus if you want. Okay guys, so this is the entrance to the Flower Dome, and that is the entrance to Cloud Forest. By the way guys, we bought our tickets online, so yeah, you guys can buy it online. I'm not sure whether you can buy it here itself, but there seems to be no one. But that's not the one. Also, make sure to keep your face mask on when you're in Cloud Forest because it's indoors, you know, you gotta keep safe.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight?
Social distancing measures.
No way though, maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though, you never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
So as you guys can see, this place literally looks like a spaceship, literally, but it's not. It's a cloud forest. Basically, cloud forest is made in 2012 to make this city like a garden in a city. But basically, right now it's literally like a city in a garden because it's so cool here, as you guys can see. I don't know what I'm saying. So basically, this place costs $1 billion. There's a lot of money to create this place, but personally, for me, I think it's literally worth. This place is amazing, and I think you guys should definitely come here. Like literally, look at this. It's amazing. And I think you can go up there too. Look at that. So this place used to be the world's tallest indoor waterfall until they built Jewel So now Jewel is holding the record of the world's largest waterfall indoors. But I personally find it truly magical, and you should visit it. It's like a wonderland of flowers and waterfall. So basically, Cloud Forest is located in the base of garden. There are total 3, east, south, and central. And South Garden is the most popular because there is a SuperTree here and Cloud Forest and Flower Dome too. So, okay guys, we're going to go out. Also at 12 o'clock, they're going to release the mist. So we're going to enter the lift. Which bar? So the last one. It's quite cool here, guys. Oh my god, this is Lego. This is so cool. It's the cloud wall.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
So right now we're on the cloud wall, and here you can see amazing views, as you guys can see. And you can see large green plants, and also very beautiful. You can see the view from below too, very nice. And you can continue going down and see more. Oh look, there's mist coming out. I can see mist too. Oh, that's the mist. And the mist coming out, sunlight coming in. So the mist is temperature of this place. It will be like the forest over here. And the forest here are cloud forest reserve in Ecuador, Costa Rica, evergreen tropical cloud forest in Nyungwe National Park, Rwanda. As you can guys see, they're all cloud forests. Yeah, you guys should visit this place. It's so cool. It's literally a cloud forest indoors. So guys, this is the end of the cloud walk. It's a really amazing place to walk.
Clear sky.
Waterfall view. Really like these things if they ever come out. I find it really useful, and also you can learn new things about this place. So yeah. Guys, so now we're going to go to the Crystal Mountain. This is just then. Oh, this looks so cool. Oh, and the treetop wall is right there. Okay, so basically these crystals are actually like in normal caves. They actually take a few thousand of years to grow. And usually when you're in a cave, you feel water dripping on you. But that's how crystals grow. That's where she get all her information from, guys.
That's me. I'm very knowledgeable.
So basically, guys, these are the rock icicle. Water dripping from the cave root leaves behind minerals that crystallize. This is the treetop rock. How beautiful is this? Wow, it's so pretty. This is literally the top of all the trees here. This time we was up there. Now we're down here. At this spot right here that we're standing right now is the bird eye view of this wonderful mountain. So super nice, and you can see the cloud walk over there.
Yet this is only one possible future. If we act quickly, we can adapt our...
So we're going down now to the Cloud Forest Gallery.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time.
Okay guys, right now we're at Secret Garden and it looks amazing. Like, look at this view. Isn't that amazing? We are leaving now.